Hello friends! Welcome back to Step by Step Reading. Today, we are going to learn something super important in reading. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, right! We are going to learn about vowels. A, E, I, O, U. What are vowels? Vowels are special letters in the alphabet that help us make words and sounds. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, U. They are found in so many words. Without them, words would sound funny or wouldn't make sense at all. Let's meet each vowel and learn the sound it makes with examples. A says a, a. Like in apple, a, po. The other words that starts with a are, let's say them together. A, alligator. A, great job! Keep going, you're doing amazing. We now move to letter E, which says A. A. Like in egg, egg. Let's say the other E words together. Elephant. Envelope. Amazing job! I says E. E. Like in igloo, glue. We can say the other I words together. Insect. Ink. You're doing an excellent job. Let's keep moving. The next one is O, which says O. O. Like in octopus or topaz. Say the other words with me. Orange. Ox. Excellent job! The last vowel is U, which says U, U. Like in uniform, uniform. Other U words are, let's say them together. Unicorn. Now, let's sound each vowel together. A, E, O, U. Again. A, E, O, U. Wow! You did an amazing job! You give yourself a big thumbs up. Now you know your vowels. You can spot them and say their sounds. I'm super proud of you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big like and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you and bye.